How we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets. Today, let's take a look at AMP. Before we get into it, happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and hopefully you're enjoying your turkey and pie and all that good stuff. So, AMP, we saw an enormous run-up a few days ago, or a few weeks ago even, early in the month. Then we kind of trickled back down. Then this big, giant, massive green candle is the Binance listing. From there, obviously, people started taking some profits. So we went up, I believe, 40% or so. 41%. And then we actually came down from there, I think about 12 or 15%. Yeah, 16%. Today, though, we are ripping back up 6%. I think one of the bullish things that is really strong for us is now being on Binance. I think it's the biggest, if not one of the biggest exchanges in crypto. Now we have more people that have access to AMP. With such a low market cap and such a high potential use case, it's going to be something that is really easy to swing, and get some big run-ups like we've seen in the past, where we run up, 60, 80, 100% in just a few short days. So yeah, this is a 100% gain or 75% gain, upwards of 115% gain in about a week. So that stuff is very much in play with us, especially now because it's on more exchanges. So there's just more players in the game. So potentially more whales, etc. So we are primed for some of that. Additionally, we're kind of forming this pennant shape here. We do see that it has been some resistance for us. This could actually come out here even. And be almost a little more symmetrical. If this were to happen, well, one thing that's positive is we are still riding the EMA as support now. We previously slipped below it. We had a death cross, and then that death cross, you can see, lasted approximately a single day or 2 days maybe, and then we had this giant bullish green candle, and it flipped our 20 EMA into support instead of resistance. So that's a bullish thing for us here. We're finding some support along this trend line, and some potential resistance along the top of it there. So what we could see is us actually come back down. I would imagine we would still find support on the 20, so something in here, and then come back up to retest it. And we could potentially get rattled in between here for the next few days or weeks as the market continues to develop here. Obviously, Bitcoin's going to be the leader in this, regardless of how tied we are to Bitcoin or not. And from there, us breaking positive out of this shape here could be what leads us to break that big resistance at the 7 cent mark, on that, which could ultimately lead to a bigger run up into some previous all-time highs. Ultimately, I think we are pretty primed to continue some bullish sentiment through December, through the rest of this bull run. Remember, Bitcoin's going to lead the charge, then Ethereum, then altcoins. So we are kind of towards the tail end of that. Obviously, we will continue to grow with the whole market. Bitcoin's going to probably outperform at the beginning, and then towards the end of the bull cycle, AMP is going to kind of probably outperform a lot of other cryptos as well. So that is just a quick little snapshot for AMP here on Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys enjoy your holidays, and we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.